John, thanks. State Trooper Rougeau's death is still on the minds of many, including police officers and children as well who interact with local police officers.
The Police Athletic League, also known as PAL, is hosting this week its summer camp for 100 children in the area. And although the goal of this camp and the program is to build community relations between police officers and students, it's also used to teach kids about life lessons and what's going on in the world, including what can happen as far as the sacrifices that law enforcement officers make. Now, police officers say they have used this tragedy to teach kids the importance of conflict resolution and not having violence to handle issues. President Joe Biden's son, Hunter, pleaded guilty today to 2 misdemeanor tax charges, and he avoided prison time on a felony gun charge.
Federal prosecutors say Hunter Biden didn't pay his taxes for a couple years and bought a gun while addicted to drugs. That's a felony. Today, he pleaded guilty to misdemeanor tax charges and entered a pretrial diversion program on the gun charge. Local political experts say they don't expect the news to have major bearing on the 2024 political race, saying larger issues face the country. We have more on that coming up on Erie News Now at 6. But let's pivot to health news. The COVID-19 vaccine is seeing its second wave of updates here in the United States.
Yeah, the most recent doses remove the original strain of COVID-19 in the boosters to best target the newest variants. Pfizer, Moderna, Novavax, they have all said, these pharmaceutical companies, they expect to have the newest vaccine available in the fall. So according to the CDC, Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, only 17% of the population is fully up to date on their COVID boosters. Epidemiologists say the new booster will primarily be for those at higher risk of COVID-19. All right, let's talk Olympics. The 2024 Olympics are about a year away in Paris, France, but tonight, there's a corruption investigation underway.
French investigators searched the headquarters of the Paris 2024 Olympic organizers. It was done by the French National Financial Prosecutor's Office. Officials say the searches stemmed from 2 preliminary investigations related to the Paris Olympics that had previously not been made public. A 2017 probe involving potential embezzlement of public funds and favoritism, and a 2022 probe of possible conflicts of interest and favoritism. 2024 organizers are, quote, cooperating fully with investigators. The Paris Summer Games are scheduled to take place July 26th through August 11th of next year. The IOC, no stranger to scandal and accusations of wrongdoing. Remember,